school.
Oh,
And we're at Moody Gardens.
it's gonna be so much fun.
It's gonna be so fun. We're gonna give you a tour.
Yeah.
So let's go. What information would you give someone who's first coming to Moody Gardens?
We have the aquarium, the rainforest, the 3D and a 4D theater. We have another theater, it's called 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, and that's a 4D interactive theater. And then we have a boat ride. So all of that is included in your all-day pass.
Oh my gosh, that is so mean. Yeah, do you know who that is? Okay, well, we're not talking about his life choices, okay? Like, I'm not gonna deny that his life choices were bad, but like, he was like the best A&M football player ever in history, in A&M history.
Okay, so we're going to start off in the rainforest over here. You're going to need the ticket that I gave you to get into all the exhibits today.
So we're going to the rainforest pyramid, and yeah, let's go,
much
guys.
That's a good thing. Y'all enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We're in a place with animals. I remember this. It's green.
It's kind of dark.
I hope you
So-
like green.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Died.
Oh, it's over there. Oh, it looks like a leaf, guys. Oh no.
Oh,
I
those
know.
scary frogs.
It looks like
They were
a
like
leaf.
this thing.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Let's
stand
see.
and listen.
Wow.
Oh, that's so ugly. Oh. That's so cool.
It looks like a statue. It's like
It says, treat the earth well. It was not given to you by your parents. It was loaned to you by your children. It's wrong because God created the earth. So that is definitely very wrong. Oh my gosh, it's coming back. It's coming back. Oh my gosh, it's right there. Oh,
It's so
Oh my gosh, look at the other one. It's sleeping by the rock.
Mr.
This looks scary. It doesn't look like that. There's a fan. Oh my gosh, that's a fat one.
It looks weird.
We're gonna go see the butt monkey. I know, PG-13. Oh, it's gone. It left.
Oh, I didn't know these guys were biblical. They read the book of Psalms.
Huh. Wait, where are they? Where's the monkey? The monkey is gone. Oh, look, there's goldfish. I'm gonna go look at the bird over there. Come look at the bird, guys. Is it over here? It's right over there. Right? Yeah, it's up there. It's like gray.
Oh, there it is.
Ooh, I wonder where the tree frogs are. In the trees.
Wow.